Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Corey London here with MSIGuide.com. Just wanted to do a quick video today, show you how you can make up to $35 per hour being a customer service rep working from home. And this has been updated for May 4th, 2018. So stick around and I'll share some great information for those who want to work from home and make some great money. First one we got today is Cloverleaf Care. These guys pay between $33,500 to $37,500 annually. That's a full-time job and they have benefits. Look like they hiring immediately, full-time or part-time. This is a remote position and it requires the individual to completely work from home. So basically, you got to be a go-getter, a self-starter, disciplined, and personal with outstanding work skills. And a lot of these jobs require you to just have a quiet home to where, obviously you won't have any distractions going on. So if you do have kids or whatever, as long as you got, a separate space that you can obviously keep an eye on them, but at the same time be able to conduct work to where it's not too distracting. And I'll tell you this, my wife works from home and she brought my daughter up. My daughter's 12 now, but my wife's been working from home for the last 13 years. So it can be done. It can be done where you can still cater to the needs of a child and give them the care they need and still be able to work a job. It depends on how that job allows you to schedule your work. So but it's probably not a good idea to try to do it, especially if this is going to be your first run at trying to work straight full time from home. But this is a great company to work for. And I'm gonna have the links in my, on my blog page, MSIGuide.com, MSIGuide.com. My bad. If you want to learn a little bit more about these jobs individually, but these guys are they've been around for a long time. They got the instructions on their site to tell you, as you can see, 33.5 to 37.5. It updates pretty regularly, tells you what all your job duties are going to be. Like this one in particular, proactive source, interview, screen, and test all caregiver job applicants. And you're doing this stuff over the phone, obviously, and via computer. Coordinate job fairs, locate good sources for caregiver job applicants, and develop applicant pipelines. So what it looks like is there is remote positions, but there are some jobs that look like it may require you to do some hands-on. So you might want to check their site to see exactly what you can do from home, and make sure that wherever you're located that they take you there. So a lot, and all of these jobs, whether it's my videos or other people's videos, you got to do a little bit digging in order to find out if these people hire in your particular state. If they hire remotely where you may live in Texas and the job can be in Colorado, so you got to do a little bit of due diligence on your own. And if you need a little bit of assistance from me, don't hesitate to drop a comment and I'll do some heavy lifting for you. But Cloverleaf, you might want to check those guys out, and that's a good one. I'll have the link to this site as well as to their more in-depth information on my blog, MSIGuide.com. So check them out. All right, guys, our next one is Big Eyes Consulting. They pay actually $10 an hour. They consider you a contractor, but you're a customer service rep that works from home. Look like your job and duty is going to entail like assistant for customers with billing or video technical repair inquiries, review, analyze, and respond to customer billing inquiries, resolve customer open issues or questions, troubleshoot technical issues. So this is a pretty easy one. $10 an hour, obviously, but not a whole lot of money. But it's great if you're sitting at home and you're not doing much of anything. It'll be a great way to bring a little extra cash in the household. This particular website that they have don't have a lot of information on it, but like I said, you can go into my links, and I'll have it linked to exactly where you can go and actually apply for that job. So check these guys out. Big Eyes Consulting. That's number 2 on there. Let me see what else we have. Last but not least is Telereach, calling corporate America. Telereach Corporate, it's a national telephone marketing firm. It's engaged exclusively in outbound business-to-business calls. Looks like they offer a unique opportunity with an excellent earning potential to work part-time or full-time from your home. Put your business-to-business sales and appointment setting experience to work, making outbound calls from your home office. Pretty much their job requirements are excellent phone presence and etiquette, business computer skills, knowledge of MS Word and Excel, and everybody knows MS Word and Excel. Well, probably not Excel as much because I don't know Excel that well, but CRM experience is a plus. Quiet home office space. You need that quiet home, that office space. And they want you to always have high-speed internet, not like the wireless. They usually be wanting you to like plug in. You know what I'm saying? They have you some headphones on there, and I'll have some headphones that you can check out in the description as well. And they want you to be able to be persistent and strategic following up with the prospects with excellent written and verbal communication skills. So check that out. You know, that's another one. Hopefully this will be able to help someone. And like I said, I have the link so you can get a little bit more in-depth information to see if this is something that's a good match for you. But I just wanted to share those 3 work from home opportunities that give you some potential to make some serious money. So make sure you subscribe and you like this video. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know as soon as I put these up. You check them out. I'm watching them every day to make sure that I give you the most up-to-date information that can help someone out there find that next job, discover their passion, you know what I mean, and explore their potential and turn those into profits. So check it out. Your boy Corey London, MSIGuy.com, and I thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.